In this video, I will be telling you guys how to integrate Zapier free plan into your Mailchimp or the Mailchimp into your Zapier any way around, what suits you best. The link will be in the description. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. Click on the link. You will be over here, sign in with your official account, and then you'll see this page. Navigate yourself on the left hand side, scroll it down to see the integration options. Click on the integrations, and then in the search bar type Zapier, and you will see the Zapier is the easiest way to connect Mailchimp. Just click over here, and then you will be able to get started with it. Click on it, and it will lead to a page to install the plugins. Just go ahead and log in with your account of the Zapier. Once you do that, it will automatically sync with your Mailchimp. I hope that finds you well. That is pretty much it. Take care. Bye bye.